Okay, so we just we went to Martin's Head, and then we went back because we got to go back to Adair's for fuel, and we met a whole bunch of locals here at Quiddy Falls again on our way back. Not a whole lot of room, eh, buddy? Jeez. Yeah, we just met a whole bunch of locals here. We had a good chat, took a few pictures. We've only put on 45 kilometers ish. But overall, we're having a good time. Isn't that fucking cool? Or freaking cool, sorry. That's awesome. Anyways, we're following what says it's not a trail. Looks like they lost the trail at some point. But this is the fastest way back to the camp, to Adair's. Unfortunately, it's paved. Not ideal. But it is what it is. And we need food. So next stop is Pulley Mountain after Adair's, and then Pulley Mountain, Friar's Nose, and then back to the camp. So we'll catch up later. Alright, so we're leaving here, going to go to Pulley Mountain. Pulley Mountain Lookout. This is probably some of the best hospitality that we've had in a super long time. Here's the PEI boys. They went to St. Martin's or something like that. Okay. Map says otherwise, that I'm supposed to be taking a left here across the trail. Is there a way to take a left once I go up this? I don't know. No, that's just gonna take me down the wrong way. We're gonna take the pave, I guess. Go. There's the trail. Alright. Now that we figured that out. Anyways, we're off to Plastic Palace first, and then Pulley Lookout, and then hopefully Friar's Nose. We're running low on time. We met a lot of locals, we talked with a lot of locals, and then next thing you know, a few hours passed by. So we're running late. It's 7 o'clock right now, and we'll see how much light that we run out of. So I'll catch you guys later once we get to where we're going. to the plastic shelter right around here. According to the old ride command. The old fireball in the sky is a little spicy today, and pretty sure we're both sunburned. But it's a beautiful day, beautiful riding area, and yeah. Once we get to the old plastic shelter, I need to recheck to see where we're going here. There's a razor that we saw earlier. Check the trail system real quick. Where are we going? We're going there, right?
That's where we stopped that time, Sebastian.
Sebastian was never with us.
What?
Sebastian was never with us.
Yes, he was.
No.
Yes, he was.
No.
We go up here, we did all the routes.
No.
Look for that picture.
It was Justin and his father and Alex.
Okay. Where we're going?
To the right. Seven kilometers to the right. All right, cool. Anyways, there's plastic shelter, snowmobile club trail, or I guess mix of ATV and snowmobile. We want to make it a lookout, so not a whole lot of stopping since we're limited on time. And once that sun goes down, the old fireball, it makes it really hard to record. So we'll catch you back up once we get over the pulley, because again, this style of road, nobody wants to watch that. See you later. Alright, so we are on the Pulley Mountain, going to it, 3401 if I remember correctly. I probably don't. And then we're heading to 3412, which will take us to the actual one. And that sun is so bright that I can't see anything. I'm trying to stay out of the dust out of Chris there, because he's been in it all day, so let him take off for a little bit in front. Anyways, I can't see anything. Whew, that's a big drop. Good thing I wasn't in the dust. That would hurt. And it's not like he's doing it on purpose. It's just so dusty. This is a lot of money spent here, you can tell. Oh, hey, look, he's waiting for me. Just like what you're supposed to do at every stop when you don't know where you are or where you're going. Closed? I wonder why that's closed over there. Look at the dust. Jeez. Anyways, I'll start recording there once we get back up close to it. Just figured I'd catch base with you guys on what we're doing. Well, see you once we get close to Pulley. So this is neat. The entrance is what looks like just wide enough for an ATV, but it'll probably fit a side-by-side of some sort. Anyways, this is definitely an experience, and I do not regret it 1 second. These are the kind of trails that I really, really, really enjoy. Why is there two ways and then I don't know where I'm going? Trails on private property. Yeah, that's the whole idea behind it, boys. Oh, look out. There we go. gear. Okay. The beard experience? Sure. This could be neat. I can't wait to get to the top of this. Steep hill, winding trails. Definitely steep hill, all right. Oh yeah. Camera will not do that justice. Great, I love this. What is this now? Huh. A little wood shelter. This is neat. Oh, there's the tower right there. Super neat. Well, okay, so yeah, I forgot my phone down there, so we're gonna use the GoPro for footage. Chris again behind me.
Just me.
Freaking view, boys.
I guess the view.
The
Oh,
view.
let's see.
Wow. Like that's hopefully the wind noise isn't too terrible up here, but that's on top of Holy Mountain here on this signage. It's quite nice. Yeah. Really don't know why they don't have a bench here though. Like, you'd think they'd have a bench of some sort. Anyways, there's Maritimers. If you don't already know, go check them out. Then there's Don's. He's from Ontario. He came down last weekend. So, yeah. Just enjoy that view if you've never been. Anyways, we'll catch you on the flip side. We're gonna stay here for a few minutes, but we gotta keep moving because we're running out of sun. See you later.